leaky pipe. Call BG Plumbing, we'll make it right.